see.
Did you follow my footprints, Dada?
I did.
Okay. Follow my footprints back. That was really hard if you thought that.
What?
That's the lion that we always find.
Oh, that's right. That's the lion.
The cat.
I'm going to dig it up.
Yeah, follow my footprints.
Okay.